Hello students, welcome this new academic year 2021 and 22. Welcome to the social science class of 7th standard. Dear students, in this video we will discuss about last year what you learned in the social science subject and that help us to prepare the bridge course test. Dear students, you know that from last year you studied the three parts of the social science. They are history, civics, and geography. Now, let us see the 7th standard bridge course question answer. Question number 1. Which is the highest court of law in our country? Supreme Court is the highest court of law in our country. Next, what color is used to show the water bodies in the map? Blue color is used to show the water bodies in the map. See once again, which is the highest court of law in our country? Supreme Court is the highest court of law in our country. What color is used to show the water bodies in the map? Blue color is used to show the water bodies in the map. Next, third one question. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Okay. Fourth, which is the holy book of Islam? Quran is the holy book of Islam. Okay. Once again, third one. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Fourth, which is the holy book of Islam? Quran is the holy book of Islam. Now, fifth one question. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Where is Thousand Pillar Basadi located? Moodbidri. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Where is Thousand Pillar Basadi located? In Moodbidri. Okay, students. The next one. Seventh question. How many union territories are there in India? 9 union territories are there in India. Okay. Eighth one. Which is the holy book of Christians? Bible is the holy book of Christians. Next. How many districts are there in Karnataka? There are 31 districts. How many districts? 31 districts. Next. Which is the highest point of Europe? Mount Elbrus is the highest point of Europe. Okay, students. So once again we have to see of this seventh question. How many union territories are there in India? 9. Which is the holy book of Christians? Bible is the holy book of Christians. How many districts are there in Karnataka? 31 districts. And which is the highest point of Europe? Mount Elbrus. Okay, so next 11th question. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay, so next 12th. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. 13th. What is the residence of president called? Means what is called the residence of president? Rashtrapati Bhavan. What? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next 14th question. Who is the father of history? Herodotus is the father of history. Next question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara is the largest desert in the world. So next 16th question. Which is the largest dome in India? Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is the largest dome in India. Next, where is the statue of Gomteshwara? In Shravanbelgola. Okay, where is the statue of Gomteshwara? In Shravanbelgola. Okay, next, which is the birthplace of river Kaveri? Talakaveri is the birthplace of river Kaveri. Okay, student. Which is the birthplace of river Kaveri? Talakaveri is the birthplace of river Kaveri. Next, you know that everyone, which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Next, what do you call preserved dead body? What do you call preserved dead body? The mummy. What they have to call? The mummy. Next, 21 question. Which is the birthplace of Jesus? Which is the birthplace of Jesus? Bethlehem. What? Bethlehem. Next, What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is geoid. Which one? Geoid. Okay, next. Which is our national flower? Lotus is our national flower. Next. Which continent is called dark continent? Which continent is called dark continent? Africa continent is called dark continent. Okay, so next 25. Question number 25. Who is known as the tiger of Mysuru? Who is known as the tiger of Mysuru? Tipu Sultan is known as the tiger of Mysuru. Okay, so now next question number 26. Who hoists the flag in the Red Fort on every Independence Day? Prime Minister. Okay. How many spokes are there in the wheel of the national flag? 24 spokes. How many spokes? 24. Next. Which river is called the lifeline of Karnataka? Kaveri. Okay. Kaveri river is called the lifeline of Karnataka. Next. In our country, how many states are there? 28. How many states? 28 states. Next. 13th question. Where is Thousand Pillar Basadi located? In Moodbidri. Next. Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Father of History, Herodotus. Father of History, wait, Herodotus. Next. Dash river is the lifeline of Karnataka. Kaveri river is the lifeline of Karnataka. Already over in the question, and again they asked in as a fill in the blank. Okay. Dash is our state. Everyone know that Karnataka is our state. Okay. Next question. The wheel on our national flag has a dash spokes. How many spokes? 24 spokes. The wheel on our national flag has a 24 spokes. Okay. Next. Our national birds. Peacock. Our national birds. Peacock. Next. Our national animal. Tiger. I asked in as a name the following as a fill in the blanks. And that before over this question as a question answer. Okay. The next. Capital of Karnataka. Bengaluru. Capital of Karnataka. Bengaluru. Next. Capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai. Capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Next question. Children's Day celebrated on dash. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November. Okay. Children's Day celebrated on dash. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November. Next. Indian's national game. Our Indian's national game is hockey. Which one? Hockey is our Indian national game. Next, who is the present president of India? Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. Okay, so next, who is the present prime minister of India? Everyone know that? Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the present prime minister of India. Next, who is the present chief minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa is the present Chief Minister of Karnataka. Next. Teachers' Day celebrated on dash. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September. Next. Who is the head of the Indian Republic? President is the head of the Indian Republic. Okay. Who is the head of the Indian Republic? President is the head of the Indian Republic. Next. Which is the largest river in the world? Amazon is the largest river in the world. Nile is the longest river and Amazon is the largest river in the world. Okay. Next. Which city is called Pink City? Jaipur city is called Pink City. Next. Who is the father of the Carnatic music? Purandar Dasa is the father of the Carnatic music. Okay. Who is the father of Carnatic music? Purandar Dasa is the father of Carnatic music. The last one question. Who is the founder of the Sikhism? Guru Govind Singh is the founder of the Sikhism. So student, we have seen the 50 questions. We read all the questions. So students, over here only our questions. I hope you will study well and you can give the exam is very well. So good luck for you students. Thank you.